Today on Scott Diesel Garage, my wife wants this yard mowed, and to do so, I'll have to change this ancient fuel filter on our Spartan RZC-30. That grass is growing fast, so if I can't change this fuel filter, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Let's start this off by putting a paper towel under the fuel filter so we can catch any drippings. The fuel hose starts off up here by the tank, so we shouldn't have any big spills. I start by backing the front clip off, and then back the fuel filter itself out of the hose. Now I'm just going to back the back clamp off as well and pull the fuel filter off. Man, this thing looks grody. Then the new one just goes right back on. So that didn't end up taking very long. So I'm going to try to empty the old fuel out of the gas tank while we're at it. You should never leave old fuel in your gas tank over the winter. This has been in there since last fall. This thing's gas tank is huge. It's got a 5-gallon tank. Now we've just got to figure out how to get the fuel out of it. With space in the shop growing ever more tight, I'm forced to lay on a weird rug from my last house. Heck, I guess it's part of this whole big assembly here. Well, I can't figure out how to drain this thing, and for some reason I can't find my siphon. So I'm just going to pour this new fuel in it with a little bit of stabilizer. Heck, let's start this bad boy up right now. You never get it on the first try. Well, that's pretty much it. Now I just need to change the oil, and this thing will be ready to provide my wife a yard as pretty as she is. Next time on Scott Diesel Garage, only one challenge remains between me and mowing the yard for my wife. The grass is growing pretty fast out there, so I've got to get this oil changed. Will I be able to change it? Find out next time on Scott Diesel Garage.